So I'm gonna just start unboxing this camera and it's gonna shoot you. Y'all can get into it. I actually purchased this camera from Best Buy. This video is not sponsored by Best Buy or by Canon, so I don't know why I didn't mention that in the beginning of the video. So I'm giving you my honest opinion. Comes with your instruction manual. This camera is the Canon EOS M50 or the Kiss M. I know that certain places of the world the camera has a different name and a different title. So yeah. So here you go. Everything is wrapped up nice and neat. And I just want to talk about, as I'm opening this is my first response. I just want you guys to see the difference between the sizes of these cameras. I mean, literally. Can we just talk about that? Look at that. I mean, even just the compact size, like if I was to take the lens off, the compact size and the grip of this camera is significantly bigger than the newer camera of this M50 modern version. So just wanted to put that out there. Even the strap to this camera is much smaller than the strap to this camera. So nice so far. I'm loving the way this camera feels in my hands. That might sound really weird to you guys, but it's something about the grip of a camera that makes you feel good as a photographer. I know some people, like you guys, like coffee mugs. Well, my thing is cameras, right? So I like to feel the grip of the camera because, one, you know for sure when you're shooting and you're walking around and running, the camera's just not going to slip out of your hands. You're going to have a firm grip. It has a kind of like a rubber feel right here almost. So it's very elastic and very easy to grip, and it almost has like a finger indentation right here where my index finger is. It feels really good and feels really relaxed. Also too, it has a viewfinder right here, here at the top, and it has this guard to protect your eyes as you look into the little viewfinder. And then I like this feel right here. It has like a plastic finish. It's matte finished, and then also too, the screen pops out. This right here is just where the screen goes. The screen actually moves pretty quickly when I open it and close it, so that's nice. And here it is. So this camera is actually known to be the best vlogging camera, and that's the reason why, is that the screen actually flips towards you while you're recording. So the lens will be facing me. I can actually see myself when I'll be talking. So sooner or later, I could probably stop filming with my iPhone for my YouTube videos. So then you just close that back up. It also has easy buttons here to change your different settings. So it has a setting, AF, MF, flash, or whatever, the zoom in, zoom out, delete, set button, the play button, the menu button, and the info button. So on this camera, because we're doing a contrast and comparison, on this camera, the buttons, you know, it's the same thing, but they're just not as compact on one side. As you can see, I have buttons right here, I have buttons here, I have buttons on the top, I have buttons over here, I have buttons over here. On this camera, it's more like, okay, we're just gonna set all your buttons and all your menu and display all that stuff right here. And then on the top, that's where you're gonna be able to choose all your features, and that's where you're going to be able to put in your microphone, and this is where you're going to be able to record, and this is where you're able to take your picture. And like for me, I kind of like that because everything is on one side. I don't have to click over here to get my menu. Now everything is here. So yeah, so far so looking good. Also has a little button here to, I'm pretty sure, probably to project the lens. So let's go ahead and take out the lens. This camera lens is an 18 to 55 millimeter camera lens. It's the camera lens that comes with the camera originally. This is how tiny the lens is. Now let me tell you, let's just do a comparison, shall we? Maybe I should take the one off of the Canon Rebel XS. Okay. This is the older version. This is the newer version. I mean, guys, look at the size difference. And this is what I mean by just being a little bit, just really lighter, very compact versus very heavy and very big for no reason. And the crazy thing is, just because it's the bigger camera lens, it does not mean that it's gonna have the better photo. This is a more refined and more modern, and I'm pretty sure it's a powerhouse of a lens, but look how much technology has evolved, okay? Next, So with the lens, it comes with the cap on the lens. I really appreciate that to protect it. Like I said, the other camera I stole out of my parents' attic. So some of the things that might have came with the camera itself, I no longer have access to. So let's see if I can go ahead and try to put this lens on and line it up. Aha. So I put the lens on the camera. It has that nice clicking sound, which is really nice. Now will let me know that it's in place and it's not going to fall out the camera. I'm going to take the cap off of the lens now, and I'm not going to put the strap on the camera, but I also wanted to show you what else is in there. You have another lens cap in here to keep the back of the lens, so that's good. And then also too, it comes with your charger. So with this charger, it has a similar thing. You put the battery in here and then you plug it into a wall. A lot of Canon's chargers look like this. They are cordless. All you do is just stick it to the wall, put the battery in here. And yeah, and then this part is also where the battery would go. And I'm assuming that the battery is already in the camera. So let's just go ahead and see here at the bottom. It does have a little thing that you can put on your tripod. And then here, I'm gonna open this up. Yes, the battery is in the camera right here. There's also a place for you to put your SD card as well in here. So like I said, the newer cameras have that model of where the SD card goes in the same place the battery does. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn this bad boy on and hopefully have a good, okay. Yep, the battery is on, so I'm going to open up the screen. I'm actually going to face the screen towards you guys, so you guys can see what I'm looking at. And I'm going to pick this back up. Okay, so it has like a little message here on the camera, probably telling me to do something that I don't know how to do yet because, like I said, I just opened this camera. And let me see here. Yeah, because it says like push and hold the lens with the direction to rotate and able to shoot with the triangle. Okay, so there's like this little button here with the triangle. I'm just gonna turn that. Oh, okay. So once I turned that, it like went into shooting mode. So I'm very, very happy about that. I really love the fact that the camera turns like this. I'm obsessed with it. Also too, I believe this camera is touchscreen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to like I'm just gonna try it. I believe the battery is gonna die because it needs to be charged, but I'm just gonna try it. Wow, look at that, guys. You can change the brightness by literally just swiping. See, that's the dark version, and then look. It brightens the entire space. It is touchscreen, guys. That right there just blows my mind. Compared to the older Rebel XS, I had to do everything with the buttons manually. The fact that this is touchscreen is really gonna help me. It's really gonna make a difference. I can't wait to see what happens and how much I can shoot with this camera. I'm gonna actually turn the camera off because right now the battery is about to die and I need to charge the battery. To click back in the screen, all you have to do is gently push it back in. You hear it click. Everything has a sound to this camera, which I like. You want to go back out of shooting mode, you just come back in with the lens, and then you can put the lens cap back on the camera. So far, my honest review with this camera is that I am very, very happy. One, I'm happy because it's smaller, it's not as compact, it's not as big, it's gonna be very easy to carry around. Two, I'm happy the screen is touchscreen. I can record videos and I can vlog with this camera. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Yeah, guys, but so far I'm very, very happy with this camera. It's much, much more lightweight. It has a very easy grip to it. I love the touchscreen. I can't wait to vlog with this camera. I can't wait to edit photos from this camera, and I can't wait to show a compare and contrast of my work. I think it would be very helpful for you guys to see that. Also, just to help you guys out, I did put the Rebel T7 below in the description as well with this Canon M50, and I'm going to put both of them below in the description, so you guys might be interested in purchasing them that camera. I'll also try to find the Rebel XS, but I doubt I'll be able to find it, to help you out if you actually do have access to that camera, to help you learn how to use it. That camera is ancient, and I'm so happy I have a new camera, and I'm probably definitely going to do a compare and contrast video between my work with both of these cameras, so hopefully you guys can see the difference. Please put below what your favorite camera is. If you're a photographer, what camera you're using, what level of photography you're in, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And if you're a beginner like me, then drop a purple heart below and I'll like your comment. And hopefully you guys like this type of content. Please let me know if you guys are interested in my photography content. I do want to say that I already posted a video for my Amazon photography backdrop. I have a lot of different photography props that I also purchased from Amazon, so if you guys are interested in learning about that, I could put that on my YouTube channel as well. But I just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers. I've been getting subscribers after my haul, which is crazy, and sooner or later I'll probably be coming up with some more fashion hauls and some more fashion content, but I just wanted to switch up the content for you guys for a little bit until I'm able to purchase some more clothes and everything. But please go support my photography website, my page, my business. Follow my photography business's Instagram. You can also follow me on social media with my Instagram and my Snapchat. And I have a Twitter now, and I also have a TikTok. All the names for that is jaybird_3_ except for my Snapchat. And all of my social medias, my personal website, my business website, and all that information will be placed below. And also, guys, don't forget too that I mentioned in the last video that me and my boyfriend are starting a YouTube channel together. So if you're interested in couple channels and you're looking for content, sooner or later we will be posting videos on that channel. So if you want to support, I would appreciate it. You can go ahead and subscribe in that channel's description. A link to that channel will be below in the description as well. What you can expect from that channel is pranks, couple challenges, dares, and stuff that's trending right now amongst couples channels. And also you'll be able to get to see me in a different light, hopefully a little bit more funnier and everything, and you'll get to see how me and my boo thing interact. So I can't wait for you guys to check out that channel. Continue to watch my channel, hit the subscribe button. Much love as always, and I hope you guys have a wonderful evening, day, or midnight if you're watching this in bed with your socks after you watch a TikTok video. Thank you for watching this video, and if you watched this far, you're amazing. Peace out.